Dear students, here we are going to learn digital to analog conversion, number of type of DAC, digital to analog converter. Many type of DACs are available. First one, binary weighted register. Second, R2R ladder, multi multiplayer DAC and non-multiplayer DAC. Among all of these, weighted and R2R are commonly used. Now let's see what are the different between all these converters. First, binary weighted register. A general concept of this register is it utilizes inverting weighting ampere circuit, OP ampere circuit. Weighted registers are used to distinguish each bit from the most significant to the least significant. Here we can say these are binary input from LSB to MSB. Each and every LSB that is used by 8R, here 4R, 2R and R. This is the binary input and it is converted into voltage. It is called binary weighted register. Each register contains different weightage. Binary weighted register, binary representation of that is first one that is LSB, next one that is it is for clear and it is for set. Once it is connected over here, then you can say it is clear, and it is connected over here, it means you can say it is set value. Same way for each and every one, it is connected over here, it means clear. It is connected with ground, and whenever it is connected this side time we are setting the values. Same way for LSB, it is connecting over here, so you can say it is clear. Simple, we are giving input here 1111, that is 15, binary value of 1111, decimal value equal to 15. It is simple view. From this side you can see it is the significant bit. The left side it is called most significant bit. Here we have seen simple connection when it is going to clear and when it is going to set. Now output voltage analysis. Example, input equal to 1101. It is LSB and it is MSB. So here register contain 10K value, here 5K value, here 2.5 and 1.25. Here 10K R3 is available here, and R4 that is called 1K ground. Now it is your LSB and it is your MSB according to V equal to IR for output. Now we are putting value LSB, that is V upon 8R, V upon 4R, 2R that is 2 plus 3, and last one 1 upon R. Now converting value. Now from where 842R is coming, it is from over here 842R. It is the value of register, weighted registers. Now we are going to putting value of V out equal to minus IR. So 10K for V1, 10K for V2, 10K for V3 and 10K for V5. Now we are putting value of R, that is 1.25. Second one for second one, that is 2.5K. Third for 5K and last one for 10K. Now here we are putting value into 1, that is input value, into 0, that is 0, in multiply 1, that is 1 value, multiply 1, that is MSB. So we are counting it, it is going to convert equal to minus 13 volt in terms of output. So here we are simple counting according to V equal to minus IR. Value of LSB and MSB is given over here. Voltage available, binary input that is converting into, it means digital input that is converting into analog output. Here minus 13V. A simple binary weighted register, in generally we can count final V out equal to V out dot resolution. Resolution equal to VRF upon 2 raised to n minus 1. If VRF equal to 13, and resolution for 4-bit equal to 16 minus 1. 4-bit resolution, so equation 2 raised to n minus 1. We are getting it from here. 4-bit resolution, that is 4-bit means total 16 is 2 raised to n minus 1. That is resolution for voltage. So 13 voltage upon 16 minus 1, so output will be 0.867. Then binary input of 15 volt, that is we have already converted 10K 1.125, 1, 10K 2.5, 1, 10K upon 5. We are giving new input, that is 1111. In previous we are giving input equal to 1101. Now here we are giving input equal to 1111, that is 15 volt. So each time 10K divided by 125 into 1, 10K divided by 2.5 into 1, 10K divided by 5 into 1, 10K divided by 10K into 1. That is into 0. Into 0.867, that is resolution for 4-bit. So V out equal to minus 13 volt. Now binary weighted register advantages and disadvantages. Simple analysis is there, that is advantages of binary weighted register. Fast conversion is available. Disadvantage, that is this setup requires a wide range of accurate values of registers. A 10-bit tech needs registers ranging from R to R weight by 1024, required low switch resistance in like transistors, usually limited to 8-bit resolution. These all are the limitations or disadvantages of binary weighted register. Next one, R to R ladder DAC. While problem with weighted register DAC is solved, that is only R and 2R value of register are required. Here once again for clear and set, it is for cleared. While it is connected over here, that means it is going to set value. Here we are using ladder of register. We are using ladder of register, is register is a ladder. It is for cleared. It is connected with ground. While it is connected over here, it is going to say that it is going to set value. It is simple diagram of 4 input and we are getting output from here. It is once again ground. We are using register ladder. So simple general concept of R2R ladder DAC is with correspondence to a switch. Cases bit is high or bit is low. Each are connected with switch. It is set, cleared, it is set. It is clear, it is set. Clear, set. It is LSP and it is MSP. It is LSP and it is MSP. Recent output or input, that is 000 or 4-bit are 000. It is ladder of register, that is RRR and 2R. And last one, that is R. And we are taking output from here, that is called R2R ladder. Current dependent on bits position. Here we can say the current is divided by a factor of 2 at each node. LSP binary input, MSP, this is called binary input. Now R2R ladder DC, analysis for current from 001 shown below. that is I0 divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 4 and divide by 8. Now output analog, that is equivalent circuit, E equal to VA, where 2R into V divided by equal to 2R plus 2R, that is R equal to R. Here we have similar equation. So practically finally V out equal to V out dot resolution, V out upon 2 raised to n, where 5 volt divided by 16, it is once again resolution with 2 raised to n for 4 bit. So it is final output. Advantage on the 2 registers value, does not require high precision registers, low conversion speed, binary weighted DAC. Thank you.